The reMarkable Paper Pro is either the smartest commuter upgrade you'll make this year or a device you stop using after the first week. In the next few minutes, you'll know buy or skip for your exact commute routine, without guessing and without hype. Here's the simple test. Can you read comfortably in real-world lighting and still take clean notes fast, without glare and without distractions? If the answer is no, skip it. If the answer is yes, this might replace both your notebook and your phone reading in one move. What makes this different is that it's a paper tablet that can write, sketch, and read in color on an 11.8-inch canvas color display, and it adds an adjustable reading light for early mornings and late rides. Now, let's break down what that means when you're actually commuting, not just sitting at a desk. Your commute has two modes that fight each other. One is reading, where you want comfort and focus. The other is note-taking, where you need speed and control. Most people bounce between a phone for reading and a notebook for writing, and that split is exactly why your highlights, ideas, and to-dos end up scattered and hard to find later. The Paper Pro is built to combine those two modes. You can write directly on PDFs, then keep everything organized with folders and tags so your commute notes don't disappear into a pile of screenshots and loose pages. And because the screen is a full-size 11.8 inches, the experience is meant to feel like working on a real page, not constantly pinching and zooming on a tiny display while the train moves. If your biggest problem is that reading and note-taking never stay together, the main promise here is one page for both, plus a system that keeps it searchable afterward. The next problem is the reason most commuter reading habits die. The screen is uncomfortable. Bright mornings by a window, sunlight outside, overhead lights at stations, and then the sudden switch to dim lighting at night. If your display fights you with glare and harshness, you'll stop reading even if the device is good on paper. This is where the listing focuses on comfort. It describes a low-glare display that reflects natural light, so you can read without eye strain, even outside, and it adds an adjustable reading light so you can keep going when the environment gets darker. The product details also list a maximum display resolution of 1872 by 1404, which matters in daily life because it helps text and document layouts look clean on that 11.8-inch page when you're scanning, highlighting, and switching between pages quickly. If you care about finishing what you start on the commute, comfort across real lighting is the feature that decides everything, not a flashy spec that only looks good in a screenshot. Now, the third problem is the one nobody talks about until after they've bought something: writing feel. Commute notes are rushed. Your hand is moving fast, the surface needs control, and if the pen feels slippery or fake, you'll default back to paper. And even if the writing is decent, your notes still become useless if you can't turn them into something you can find and reuse later. The bundle you shared includes the Marker Plus, and the listing describes it as designed to work with the display to deliver realistic friction and a natural writing feel, with precise control and responsiveness. It also has a built-in eraser, which is a daily life advantage because it keeps corrections fast and clean when you're writing on the move. In the box, you also get 6 spare marker tips, which matters because consistent tip feel is part of what makes paper-like stay paper-like over time. Then the workflow layer kicks in. You can instantly convert handwriting to typed text, so your messy commute notes can become something usable later, not just digital ink you never touch again. If you want a device you actually use daily, it has to nail both sides of the commute: comfortable reading and believable writing, plus a system that makes the work easy to find later. One practical detail that affects commuter life immediately is what you're actually carrying. The bundle you provided includes the reMarkable Paper Pro, the Marker Plus, 6 spare marker tips, a USB-C cable, and a Book Folio described as a protective cover in premium Mosaic weave, which matters because anything that lives in a bag needs protection and quick open and close convenience.
The product details you pasted also show 64 gigabytes of storage on one version, and that's a real quality of life spec because it reduces how often you have to manage space when you keep lots of notebooks and documents in one place. Downside 1 is simple. A full-size 11.8-inch device is great for PDFs, but it's not the smallest one-hand option on a packed commute, especially if you want something pocketable. Downside 2 is that your pasted details show multiple configurations with different model names and even different storage and resolution, so you must confirm the exact version selected on the product page before you buy so you don't end up with a configuration you didn't mean to choose. If you're a commuter reader who wants full-page paper-like reading comfort, plus paper-like note-taking that stays organized, this is a buy. If you need compact, one-handed, pocket-first convenience, it's a skip.